How to customize Finder search criteria on your Mac. If you want to refine your searches and find files more quickly using custom search filters, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Finder on your Mac. Once you're inside Finder, click on the search field in the top right corner. Enter a keyword to begin your search. After the search results appear, click the plus sign below the search field. Now, choose the first search criterion from the drop-down menu, such as kind, last opened date, created date, name, or another available option. Next, select the condition or value you want to use for that criterion. If you want to make your search more specific, click the plus sign again to add another search criterion. You can continue adding or removing criteria until the search results match exactly what you're looking for. If you want to reuse the same search in the future, click Save. Give your search a name and save it as a smart folder. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.